It really depends on what route I'm doing. So some days it could be like today, I think I did about 60 miles. Other days it'll be less than that. Really just depends on where you're at. My name's Thomas Shultz. I'm a food service truck driver, and gosh, I think I'm at about a year and a half at this point now. I get to feed kids all day. I don't know about you, I've got 2 step kids and I've got a niece, and making sure that kids like them get to eat every single day is extremely important to me. Based on a pick list, a couple hundred different boxes or items on average a day. That can really depend though. Some days it could be paper products or produce. Their frozen goods might be really high. And it also depends on the school too. We pick up our truck, we go ahead, we get to the school that we're assigned to. We just make sure that we touch base with the kitchen manager and the area manager, see if they have any special requests. Just get our truck loaded up and then we get out the door. Food services is kind of the family business. My mom's been working for San Diego Unified for about 15 years, I believe. When I was going to school, she was just starting. It's really neat to get to meet and work with a lot of the people that she's worked with, and I don't know, it's really nice every day.